Atsatek is a proud partner of Precisely, specializing in data management and automation solutions that help streamline and optimize business processes. In this video, we will show you how to automate material master data creation in SAP and create a simple automation script with Automate Studio. Precisely Automate Studio, previously Winshuttle, is a solution that automates data collection, validation, and movement for use with SAP, saving significant time and money and increasing process efficiency. Automate Studio enables business users to interact with SAP from familiar interfaces like Microsoft Excel or web-based forms. By automating business processes, Automate Studio allows business users to become more efficient in SAP data management tasks and improve SAP data integrity and accuracy through better master data governance. This product can help automate business processes involving both master and transactional data and works with all SAP ECC and S/4HANA modules. The automation process with Automate Studio consists of 3 easy steps: record, map, and run. In this demo, we will show you how to create a simple automation script for MM01 material creation. We will begin by selecting the transaction module and opting to create from the SAP recording option. Next, we'll need to provide our SAP credentials and then log on. Before proceeding with the recording step, we enter the T-code we want to automate, which in this case is MM01. After entering that, we'll click on Start Recording. The studio will launch SAP. All our actions will be recorded, and we'll go through a sample scenario of creating a single material. Studio will then generate the automation script based on this recording. We can start by filling in some material details, then proceed to the basic data views and input the necessary values. After that, we'll navigate through various tabs, entering required data. I'll complete a few tabs to include some test data in our script. Essentially, you'll continue navigating through tabs, inputting data as needed for your automation script. We'll then move to the mapping phase in Automate Studio. In this step, we will create our Excel template by simply dragging and dropping fields in whatever order we think works best for our script and Excel template. I can simply drag and drop the Excel columns from this template to map them to the SAP fields I have in my recording, in any order we want. If we want to reorganize the fields a little bit, for instance, I might want to have net weight first, followed by gross weight, and then the weight unit. Or, if you are happy with the order of fields as they appear in the recording, you can quickly map multiple fields. Now all our fields are mapped, and the final thing we can do here is a little bit of fine-tuning, such as resizing the columns and so on, to complete the template. One more thing we want to add to my template is a log column. Let's resize these a little bit and scroll to the end because every template will need a log column. I will drag that down here and resize it a little bit because I know we'll need more space for the log column. Essentially, that completes our mapping, and this would be a good point to save our script and Excel template. I will go ahead and click on the Save button here, and I'll use the default names for my script and Excel template. Click on the Save Both Files button here. The final step will be to click on the Run tab, start filling in actual test data, and start testing our script. I will skip ahead a little bit and add some additional material data to our template. Now I've added some test material data for us to work with. Let's run our script by clicking on the Run button and see what happens. Automate Studio will execute the script, and the log column will notify us of the success or failure of the material creation. So, there's our script. The run completed mostly fine. Most of the materials were successfully created. However, we encountered a couple of errors during the run. Errors are displayed in the run log column, highlighted with an orange background to help you identify the problematic rows. For example, it says unit KX is not a valid weight unit, at least not in the English language. Let's fix that error. We've got another error here. PX is not a valid value either. Let's fix that one too. With these input errors corrected, we can now re-execute our script to fix those errors. Instead of running the script normally, since most of the materials were already successfully created and we don't want to create duplicate entries, we will choose the Run Only Error Rows option. This will re-execute our script, but skip all the successfully created materials, focusing only on the rows with errors. As you can see, the errors have now been fixed, indicated by the background color of the log messages changing from orange to green. Now, all our 15 or so test materials have been successfully created and saved in SAP. Thank you for watching. If you would like more information, feel free to reach out to us.